Ayan, ang Boulevard. Manila Boulevard.
Basta dyan.
Kung gawa niya, nag-jogging tayo kumatibigat.
Ngayon ako ang tayo masama dyan. Nakaya na kuyatan.
Sayang, hindi nalagip ni dati. Malapit lang.
Akala ko nung nadidinig ko kayo mga 4 AM na yun.
Malapit lang pala ang ano. Oh. On our way, on the road again. Here is Manila Boulevard. Boulevard and the Philippines, Manila. Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday? Ay, Wednesday? Enjoy, guys! Enjoy, guys! We will go to Intramuros. Sana hindi ba lubat? How many minutes to Intramuros? Ay, hindi siya traffic ngayon, ha? It seems that's no traffic. Good day. No coding. We are now near the US Embassy and no catch of police because no coding.
Mga tao ni Daniel di ka mati pagta nga unang
Yesterday we caught by a police because we don't know it's coding. Oh my God, what's those? Oh. We don't know that we are coding yesterday morning. We are caught. Ah?
wala din kayong choice.
No choice because it's okay. The police is mabait. Okay. So this is the Boulevard. There is the view. Oh, there is choking.
What choking?
Choking. Joking.
Dati ba, naganan?
What's this?
Manang siman. Tambayan ng mga siman.
Ay, tambayan daw ng mga seaman. Oh, if you want to see seaman, here, maraming seaman. Ano ito? Ba't maraming flag? Ay,
Luneta.
oh, this is Luneta. See, Luneta. Oh, Luneta. We pass by Luneta.
Guardia. Hindi na naka-guardia.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Oh, alam mo na ito? This is Luneta.
Nag-vlog na nga eh.
Up. Ah. Up.
Manila Hotel. Lata.
Where is Manila Hotel? Ay, there. Manila Hotel. Next time, we'll go to Manila Hotel. Para makita natin ang dagat. Mayroong restaurant doon na Manila Hotel ba? Tabing-tabi ng dagat ba?
Taas nung best ano, Narkila sa Manila Hotel. Hotel na tayo. Dito kami